Alright guys, today we're going to start learning a new strategy that we're going to be using in here called the RAP strategy. Okay? R-A-P. We're going to talk about what each letter stands for here in a minute. But what this strategy helps us do is to pick out the main idea in the passages that we're reading and supporting details. A lot of you guys struggle, you can read really well, but at times you don't really comprehend what you read when it comes to answering our comprehension questions, so we're going to work hard on becoming better at comprehending what we read, okay? Who can tell me, what is a main idea? What does that mean when I say main idea? Anybody know? Talon?
Like the main thing, like in the book, if something was like a main idea, it would be like the main thing of the book.
Yeah, what it's mostly about, right?
Yeah.
So in this strategy, because sometimes it's hard for kids to read an entire book or an entire story and then figure out what the whole thing was about. So this strategy teaches us to break it apart, maybe like a paragraph or two at a time, pick out a main idea, supporting details, and then move on, okay? And then each couple of paragraphs, you would do the same thing. You pick your main idea and your supporting details each time. And that gives you practice of picking them out as well, okay? All right. What do you guys think the R might stand for?
I would go for like
Any ideas?
reading.
Yeah, it is. It's to read. Yeah, the R stands for read. So the first step in the strategy is for you to read the paragraph or passage that you're looking at. What do you think A might be?
I know.
Read it.
Answer.
Not answer, but you're close. It actually has something to do with that. It's to ask questions.
Oh.
Yeah, you're going to ask questions. So while you're reading, what do you think some questions are you might ask while you're reading?
Like, what does this word mean or something?
Well, yeah, if you come across an unfamiliar word, you might do that. But in order to understand what you're reading about, you might be thinking to yourself, oh, who's the main character? Or, oh, who did that? Or, you know, what's happening? You're going to be asking yourselves questions in your head, like who, what, when, where, and how. Right? What do you think P might be?
Practice.
Not practice, but kind of close. It's actually called paraphrase, but for us, we're going to call it put it in your own words.
I never heard of paraphrase.
Yeah, paraphrase is a big word. Most of you probably haven't heard it. Yes, Bonnie?
What's it mean?
Paraphrase? Put it in your own words.
Ah.
Yeah. So we're going to skip the paraphrase part and we're going to call it put it in your own words. So basically, you're going to read the passage. You're going to ask yourself questions. You're going to come up with like a main idea, some supporting details, and then put it in your own words. What do you think? Whatever you put it in your own words, you're writing. What do you think that would be?
Like, let's say you're supposed to like write a paragraph and put it in your own words.
Yeah, it's actually like a summary.
Yeah.
Like you write some all about you, you don't copy off of the book.
Like in my classroom, my teacher told us to like write like Starfisher book, but in our own words.
Right. They want to try and get you to start, when you write a summary, don't copy straight from like what you're reading, but put it in your own words. So we're going to be practicing putting things in our own words too with this strategy. That way we'll become better at it. Okay? Does anybody have any questions?